Hi everyone! Let's begin a drawing warm-up. Grab a pencil and a piece of paper. By the end of this session, you'll see an instant improvement in your line control and confidence. First, short strokes. For 1 minute, draw lines with steady pressure. No tails, just clean strokes. Use your wrist like a pendulum, keeping your hand loose and relaxed. Next, curved lines. Set a timer for 1 minute. Let your hand flow naturally. Don't overthink it. Play some light music and focus only on your strokes. Now, long straight lines. Sitting or standing, concentrate on drawing 50 long, smooth lines. You might feel some strain, but push through. Each stroke builds confidence. That's it. Your warm-up is complete. Repeat this routine daily for a week, and your hand will feel freer, your lines more effortless. Keep practicing, and enjoy the flow of your drawings.